It is said that nature abhors vacuum. Well, I abhor the price of vacuum chambers. So I'm going to make my own. Hello, Talentless Maker here, and today's build is not going to be a gun replica, it's actually going to be a piece of equipment. So I've got a couple of projects upcoming that need epoxy resin pours, and need them clear, and it means removing the bubbles, and that means a vacuum chamber. Now, if you search online, a decent one, even the cheapest, are quite expensive, and I'm a maker on a budget, so I'm going to make my own. So after a little bit of research, I found that you need several things. One is a chamber. So this is the inside pot of a slow cooker, a non-slow cooker. Something to seal the edge of that, because that top is quite loose. So I've got some sealant. I also need something to remove the air from inside. So I've got a bleeder kit with a manual pump and a gauge and various tubing that I'm going to need. I've got the bits to drill through the glass, because I need a way to get the air out of the chamber. And various bits and bats. Got some silicone sealant, so to seal up any of the mistakes I make, which might be quite frequent. Anyway, this might be fun, or it might be a complete disaster. Remember, this isn't a tutorial. I am the talentless maker for a reason. But we'll see how it goes. So, let's get to it. Step one, drill through this. So there is a little plastic sticker on there, so I'm going to leave that on there for a little support, make sure nothing cracks. But I'm going to put some tape across that just to give it a little bit more support. Cross formation. Some on the inside. It's going to need cooling. So, got some more one. Next thing is the drill. Oh, that was predictable. Well, there you have it. Talentless to the last. I think I was going a little bit too fast. The old drill. So back to square one. Yeah, I said it wasn't a tutorial. So if you like seeing me mess up, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, do all those things that YouTube want you to do. Go for a jog, pick some apples. Yeah, back to square one. Anyway, see you next time.